Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of content in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your content management tools. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This will expand a submenu with different content types you can manage. From this submenu, click on Website Pages. This is where all your published and draft website pages are stored, and it's the section you need to access to manage your page versions. Once the Website Pages section loads, browse through your list of pages and click on the specific website page you want to work with. This will open the page editor, allowing you to view and modify the content. Opening the page is essential because version history is specific to each individual page, so you need to be inside the page you're looking to restore. Now that you're inside the page editor, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on Save to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Version History. This feature is incredibly useful because HubSpot automatically saves versions of your pages as you make changes, allowing you to go back to earlier versions if needed. After clicking Version History, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen displaying all the saved versions of this page. Each version is typically labeled with a timestamp and sometimes includes notes about what was changed. Take a moment to review the list and identify which version you want to restore. You can click through different versions to preview how the page looked at that point in time. Once you've found the version you want to bring back, click on that specific version from the list. This will load a preview of that version so you can confirm it's the right one before restoring it. It's a helpful safeguard to make sure you're not accidentally restoring the wrong content. After confirming that this is the version you want, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Restore Version. Click on this button and HubSpot will revert your page back to that previous version. The content, layout, and settings from that version will replace your current page content. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous version of your content in HubSpot, bringing back earlier work without having to manually recreate anything. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.